A gorgeous 4-bedroom home with 3 washrooms situated within Whitby's sought-after Rolling Acres community. Welcome to 26 Foster Crescent. Featuring a brick exterior and a 2-car garage, an interlocking walkway leads to a covered front porch lined by an evergreen hedge, bringing an aura of privacy to its sitting area. Through the entry door is a foyer finished with beautiful polished floor tiles, and adding to the spaciousness that is felt throughout the main level, the reception hall is open to the level above. Directly to the left are the entertaining spaces of the formal living and dining rooms. Open to each other, both rooms have a neutral color palette and crisp white trims, large windows for natural lighting, as well as pot lighting in the living room, and the ambience of a modern chandelier in the dining area. Both spaces additionally feature dark hardwood flooring, which is also seen in the hallway and the family room, and their elegant finishing touch is crown moldings, which are showcased throughout most of this level. Half walls with decor columns offer a grand entry into the family room. Brightened both naturally and by pot lighting, this generously sized entertaining space is centered around a wood-burning brick fireplace that has been painted dark gray for a more contemporary look that blends with the overall modern design elegance seen throughout this level. The family room opens to the stunning kitchen and its breakfast area. A mix of updated classic design with contemporary finishes, the kitchen showcases dark cabinetry with molded uppers, granite countertops and stone-tiled backsplashes, and the sleekness of stainless steel seen with a double undermount sink, oven with glass cooktop, built-in dishwasher and microwave, as well as a French door fridge with bottom-mount freezer. Both the kitchen and breakfast area have pot lighting and tiled floors, while the breakfast area additionally features an island with seating and pendant lighting, a stacked stone feature wall, a built-into-the-wall pantry, as well as the sliding door walkout to the backyard. A great outdoor space for entertaining and personal enjoyment, the fully fenced backyard features an above-ground pool, a tiered wood deck with privacy walls and a glass railing, and a separate wood deck with a pergola in its southeast corner. The main level also features a double coat closet in the reception hall, while down a short side hall is a sunken laundry room with access to the garage, washer, dryer, and modern laundry sink, a sunken landing with a side door to the front and backyards, a powder room finished with a tiled floor and feature wall, as well as a walk-in closet. And to both the upper and lower levels are curved hardwood staircases with hardwood and wrought iron railings. Cozy broadloom flows throughout much of the upper level, which features crown moldings in its 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 beautifully appointed washrooms, as well as a linen closet and a space for a sitting area at the west end of its hallway. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms all have ceiling fans, good-sized closets, and large windows for natural brightness, with the third and fourth bedrooms additionally featuring built-in wood organizers with their closets, while the flooring in the fourth bedroom has been recently updated. The 4-piece washroom these bedrooms share has been luxuriously finished with a stone-tiled floor and walls, a bath area with a soaker tub and a partial glass shower enclosure, as well as a furniture-style vanity with a stone-tiled backsplash and counter, and a glass vessel basin. Set nicely apart from the other bedrooms, the master suite enjoys wonderful privacy. Also featuring a large window and a ceiling fan, the master bedroom additionally has both a double and a walk-in closet, and its luxurious spa-like ensuite washroom showcases a stone-tiled floor and walls, a bay window above the clawfoot tub, a glass shower area with a stacked stone lower facade, as well as a furniture-style vanity with a stone counter and vessel basin. The lower level is fully finished, and its huge layout has distinct sections that provide impressive space for working out, games and recreation, office and study areas, as well as family enjoyment. This level showcases wide plank flooring and pot lighting throughout, has a bar area with access to a cold room, an electric fireplace surrounded by a tiled wall niche, as well as great storage space. Close to Fallingbrook Public, St. Bernard's Catholic Elementary, and Father Leo J. Austin Catholic Secondary Schools, as well as many neighborhood parks. This home is also a short drive to the numerous shopping plazas along Taunton Road, the Heberdown Conservation Area, the Lynbrook Golf Course, the Whitby GO Station, and for access to Highways 401 and the 407.